every character of mine has a strength. If it didn't have strength, you would not have such strong emotions towards it.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You are tuned into peepingmoon.com and today we have with us Nilima. Nusrat. What should we call you? Please.
I'm
Thoda,
happy to be known for my characters. Nilima is great. It's NN in any case.
but what I think attracted me towards Nilima in the very first go was your accent. मतलब एकदम छा गई आप. क्या कोचिंग कौन दे रहा है आपको? प्लीज जरा बताएंगे आप. Who's like telling you what to say?
सबसे पहली कोचिंग की क्लास राजकुमार राव ने ही दी थी मुझे, और उसका सजेशन हंसल सर का था कि दूर क्यों जाना है, हमारे घर में ही है राजकुमार राव जिसको हरियाणवी इतनी अच्छी आती है, वो करा देंगे आपको. तो Raj didn't have a lot of time. I could only do a few sort of readings with him, but he did set the tone for me. He did tell me कि पता है फिल्म में एकदम ठेठ हरियाणवी बोलनी जरूरी नहीं थी, बट वो मुश्किल है क्योंकि द स्लाइट एक्सेंट यू नीड टू ब्रिंग इज टफर, क्योंकि अगर आप ठेठ जाते हो ना तो सारे शब्द अलग होते हैं, बट जब आप स्लाइट एक्सेंट लाते हो तो देयर आर सो मेनी हिंदी वर्ड्स एंड देन देयर आर फ्यू वर्ड्स व्हिच यू टू मेक हरियाणवी. तो क्या होता है नॉर्मली बोलते बोलते आप भूल जाते हो, फिर आप पूरा हिंदी बोलने लग जाते हो, which is tougher. But anyway, we had a dialect coach on set who I was rehearsing with, and who actually made sure that I perfected it, and I'm happy people are liking it.
And just by the time we could get, I could come to asking you the Haryanvi thing, then we had the scare nahi kardi. Oh my God, it's hilarious. It's, I think, the new anthem per se of this perfect, I would say, banter between a boy and a girl who are in love. Like, what is it with you and super hit songs? I think every film of yours definitely needs to have a number which has to become a rage. क्या मतलब आप decide करती हैं कि एक गाना तो मैं super hit रखूंगी?
I swear, music का choice मेरा होता ही नहीं. Thankfully, it's done by the makers, and sometimes it just falls in place for all of us. Like अगर आप ड्रीम गर्ल की बात करो तो बहुत ही अलग गाना था यार, उसमें जन्माष्टमी में गाना था राधे राधे, जो मैंने कभी ऐसा गाना नहीं किया है, एंड सडनली वो इतना पॉपुलर हो गया. it was really like even the love song became a hit, जो एक कवाली बेस्ड लव सॉन्ग था, वो भी मैंने पहले नहीं किया था. So I think somewhere it's just luck that musically and my films are kind of syncing well. So I'm happy. No complaints.
नो कंप्लेंट्स. नुसरत, हमारे हिंदी फिल्म्स में बहुत कम टीचर्स हैं, फीमेल टीचर्स हैं जो बहुत ही आई वुड से लव्ड है. लाइक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक, मे बी हम सबके फेवरेट्स में से एक सुष्मिता सेन रही हैं. तो ये हमारी जो नीलिमा मैम है, ये कौन से ब्रैकेट में फिट हो रही है? आर वी हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द सुष्मिता वाला जॉनर,
No, no, no,
और
no.
आर वी हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स अपना लेट 70s वाला?
No, no. I think Sushmita ji's genre only she can own, and she killed it. When you say a teacher, that's the first thing that comes to your mind is her. Nilma is just a sweet, simple teacher. Very, very simple from a small town. जिनके एस्पिरेशंस बेसिकली बच्चों को बेटर गाइडेंस और सीख देने का है. बस उस राह पे वो एक बड़े बच्चे से टकरा जाती है, विच इज मोंटू, जो एक्चुअली बच्चा ही है, तो वो उसको भी सिखा देती है कि भाई लाइफ को थोड़ा सीरियसली ले लो, ढंग से जी लो, ये थोड़ी ना होता है जीना. तो बस स्वीट सिंपल, वेरी मॉरल, वेरी करेक्ट.
परफेक्ट. अनुश्रत, थोड़ा सा डिटूर मारते हैं. आपकी फिल्म्स में अब तक आपने जितनी भी फिल्म्स करी हैं, हमेशा अगर कोई एक कॉमन आई वुड से क्रिटिसिज्म या ट्रोल जो हमेशा समहाउ रहता ही है कि आपके फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स इतने लेट गो इजी क्यों होते हैं. बट व्हेन आई सॉ नीलिमा, शी लुक्स मॉडली वेरी आई वुड से सॉलिड. इट कम्स अक्रॉस समवन who's dealing with kids, who's dealing with education per se. I was reading this via this प्यार का पंचनामा and ड्रीम गर्ल कि सब इतना easy और I would say easy क्यों है? मतलब for Nusrat, why is she easily letting it go? Do you think as an artist sometimes हम सिर्फ कैरेक्टर के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर पोर्ट्रेयल रखते हैं, वो हमारे पर्सनल ओपिनियंस के साथ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, कंसिडरिंग बिकॉज ट्रोल्स कैन बी रियली ऑल ओवर. एक तरफ वो आपको कहते हैं कि आप बहुत ही इजी गोइंग है, और एक तरफ they expect you to pull off a character which is headstrong.
तो देखो मैं ट्रोल्स पढ़ती नहीं हूँ, ऑनेस्टली नहीं पढ़ती। ये मैंने पहले भी कहा है, सोशल मीडिया पे भी मैं नीचे जाके कोई कमेंट्स के सेक्शन में, आई मीन आई probably read 4 5, the top 4 5, and then I'm just like I cannot scroll down any further. So I don't pay attention to them. I put what I want to out in the world and I leave it. Similarly, my performances. I take on a film, I bring life to that character, I put it out on celluloid, and I leave it. If you ask me personally, every character of mine has a strength. If it didn't have strength, you would not have such strong emotions towards it. Whether it is emotions of hate or irritation or annoyance or whatever it is, वो आपको आते ही नहीं अगर वो कैरेक्टर में स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होता. बट ये जो सोच है और ये जो परख है, वो समझने के लिए आपको एज अ ऑडियंस एंड एज अ माइंड एक आर्टिस्ट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखना पड़ेगा. बट वी डोंट सी इट लाइक दैट, वी जस्ट वॉच इट एज ऑडियंस एज एंटरटेनमेंट. तो आपको लगता है कि वो लूज है, बट वो एक्चुअली लूज नहीं है. इफ शी इज मेकिंग यू हेट हर, विच इज टुडे एवरीबडी पुट्स द बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड. कोई घर से बाहर निकल के गालियां तो नहीं देता ना लोगों के कि आओ मुझे नफरत करो. लोग स्माइल करके जाते कि आओ मुझसे प्यार करो. So, in a world where we are all trying to be good to each other and be appreciated and liked by everyone, what do we want? Likes on Instagram, likes on Twitter, right? वहां जाके I'm playing characters which I know I want people to dislike me for, which is
Exactly.
which is tougher to do. And there is a strength in that because I've not made her, nor have I done, not with Babu, not with Chiku, not with Sweetie, which has been my very conscious effort. I don't want to make her black. I don't want to make her atypical, even though the conversation about her done by a man is atypical because he views her like that. But when I am doing her in my world and in my understanding, she has to be correct. She has to truly believe she is right in what she's doing and truly believe this is the world and life she wants to have. अगर उसको पर्दे और कुशन और कवर और मग से ज्यादा प्यार है तो है, खत्म कहानी. That's her world and that's her right and wrong. So it took a lot of effort to make all these characters actually come alive, make them human, make them more believable. While they are believable, only then can they become hateable, right? Otherwise, how do you have such strong emotions if you don't believe that person exists? So
मुझे ना आपसे ये पूछना जरूर था. Before the interview, I was trying to honestly pick out an outfit, and my brother was like कि तुम ये नुसरत की तरह ये क्या black shades of black लगा के रखा हुआ है, आप तुम्हारा shades of pink. And I was like, oh shit, this is so right. Your shades of pink is so popular that whenever I pick up something, my brother is like, ये क्या shades of black, shades of green लगा के रखा है, एक ही कलर होता है. Did you ever realize कि आपने बहुत ही इनोसेंटली एक अच्छा फैशन ट्रेंड शुरू कर दिया था? मैंने भी इतने शेड्स ऑफ पिंक नहीं देखे.
बिल्कुल नहीं. जब वो डायलॉग ट्रेलर में आया था तो आई वाज लाइक ये डायलॉग ट्रेलर में क्यों है, इससे ज्यादा कितने अमेजिंग डायलॉग्स है मेरे. सो एवरीबडी लाइक द राइटर्स एंड मेकर्स, इवन राहुल आफ्टर मी, ही सेइंग इसको आइडिया ही नहीं है, इसको पता ही नहीं हम क्या कर रहे हैं. आई वाज दैट क्लूलेस. आई मीन व्हाई इज शी टॉकिंग अबाउट शेड्स ऑफ पिंक, दैट्स सो लेम. व्हाई इज शी नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अदर सीरियस थिंग्स इन द फिल्म जो अच्छे डायलॉग्स पढ़ते हो ना लड़की के. So I didn't realize it and I didn't know it. ये सब all credit goes to the makers of the film, guys. मेरा कोई input नहीं है इसमें.
ऐसे मतलब नीलिमा के शेड्स हैं इस बारी कि नीलिमा इज लाइक
नीलिमा के शेड्स इस तरह से है कि I mean you can't ever tell a person's moral compass till you don't see them do it. तो अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में खुद के मॉरल्स प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा वो इंसान कौन है. सो आई थिंक फॉर नीलिमा हर मेन दिस थिंग इज दैट वो सीख दे रही है राज को, मोंटू को, बट वो खुद उसको जी भी रही है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर यू काइंड ऑफ आर एबल टू मेक हर 3-dimensional and add another depth and layer to her, because there's a part in the film which comes where you see and you feel like हाँ मतलब शी इज ट्रू टू व्हाट शी एक्चुअली सेज एंड बिलीव्स एंड डज. वो सिर्फ बोलने के लिए, सीख देने के लिए नहीं कर रही है. तो वहां आपको डेप्थ और शेड्स नजर आएंगे.
नुसरत प्लीज करेक्ट मी अगर मैं यहाँ पे गलत हूँ. इज इट ट्रू कि आपने अपना ट्रस्ट विद इंडस्ट्री एंड एक्टिंग 2002 टीवी से शुरू किया था? इज इट ट्रू? आई रेड समवेयर, आई एम लाइक इतनी जल्दी तो मुझे भी नहीं याद आ रहा.
2002 में बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी.
Yeah, imagine I was reading through this information. I'm like, I will ask Nusrat because I remember that 2006 film which you started with your career with.
I did start with television. I just don't know which year it was. I don't think it was a 4-year gap. I mean, between TV and my films, there were not 4 years. There was probably like a
Oh,
year and a half, or 2 years max. Because I remember I was studying when I was doing television, and I left TV because I couldn't handle that life, and I couldn't handle the commitment TV needed on an everyday basis. I was just a child. मतलब मैं तो मजे के लिए कर रही थी कि टीवी पे आ रही हूँ, और कोई स्कोप नहीं था मेरा, मेरे को एक्टिंग आती भी नहीं थी तब, तो मैंने टीवी छोड़ दिया बिकॉज इट वाज जस्ट टू मच फॉर मी टू हैंडल. एंड आई रिमेंबर मैं कॉलेज में थी, एंड while I was studying for exams or something, my first film का audition happened. And I remember thinking कि बट मैंने तो करियर में सोचा है कि इसके बाद ये करूंगी, तो अब मैं फिल्म का कैसे करने लग जाऊं. बट दैट टाइम दे हैड सेड कि इतने दिनों का तो काम है, कर ये इतने दिनों का शूटिंग कर लो, फिर आप अपना वो करियर कर लो. सो इस तरह से मैंने वो फिल्म कर ली. 30, 35, 40 डेज में तो कुछ नहीं होना है. मतलब एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स भी नहीं भर पाऊंगी मैं जॉब्स के उतने में, तो शूटिंग कर लेते हैं. तो मैंने ऐसी ही फिल्म करी. और
ओवर द इयर्स, मतलब मोर देन
करेंगे
15
उसके बाद. हाँ.
इयर्स आपको इतना टाइम हो गया फिल्म्स में. आपको लगता है कि आज जो आपकी चॉइसेस हैं जो कि बहुत क्लियर हैं, लाइक यू आर डूइंग अ हुड़दंग, यू आर डूइंग छोरी, a horror next, कि finally the time has come where you are finally picking roles which you belong to per se. क्योंकि हम बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेटली अपने हीरोइंस को इजीली कह देते हैं कि यार लीडिंग मैन के पीछे हैं आप, but it's equally easy for women to lead the front. Like Vidya Balan ma'am says, ki, there is nothing called female centric.
Yeah.
It is about a good part, and if a female is doing it, more power to it. As simple as it goes.
No, no.
So it took you. Do you sometimes feel कि बड़ा लंबा वक्त लग गया कि आज मैं एक ऐसे पॉइंट पे अब आप हो जहाँ पे you are actually picking up scripts which talk to you, which resonates with you?
You know, I always had that idea of what to pick and what not to pick. The only difference is sometimes, you don't realize कि जो आपको ऑफर नहीं होता है वो आप कर ही नहीं सकते ना. तो
Exactly.
हाँ, जो आपको चॉइस लगती है वो एक्चुअली चॉइस नहीं है, वो समटाइम्स ऑप्शन नहीं होता. अगर आपके पास प्यार का पंचनामा ही है तो फिर प्यार का पंचनामा ही करो, और क्या. वैसे तो स्टार्ट मैंने एलएसडी से किया था, सो देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ इन दैट फिल्म. आई टॉक्ड अबाउट अ लॉट. We were, the whole team was called path breaking and cult cinema.
Was path-breaking film because that was not something which was before attempted per se.
And how many of those actors do you see today working as much? There were 6 of us in that film. And right after LSD also, I know, I mean, I met Raj in Delhi right after LSD, and he was doing another film and I was doing Pyar Ka Panchnaama. Both of us were like, yeah, shouldn't we have got like other more, I don't know how to call it, LSD sort of work, more real space, more earthy, like meteor parts, more acting centric films. Why are we doing these, comedy films? Why are we doing these smaller ensemble parts? Like, so I remember we were in that thought कि यार हमें अब तो better काम ऑफर होना चाहिए, because आइडिया आपको वही लगता है ना, आपकी फिल्म चल गई, आपका काम सबने अप्रिशिएट किया, तो आपको बेटर काम ही मिलेगा, यही एक दस्तूर रहता है. बट इस इंडस्ट्री में कुछ भी प्रिडिक्टेबल नहीं है. आपका हिट से हिट काम के बाद भी आपको कोई काम ना मिले, ऐसे पॉसिबल हो सकता है. यू कांट प्रिडिक्ट इट. तो आई जस्ट फील कि उस वक्त नहीं था मेरे पास और कोई ऑप्शन. होता और कोई फिल्म इंटरेस्टिंग होती तो मैं शायद पीकेपी नहीं करती. But तब पीकेपी ही थी ऑफर, and they were very very strong and they believed that the film was really going to be something different, and उनके बिलीफ को मैंने मान लिया और मैंने साथ दे दिया. एंड अमेजिंग जर्नी हो गई, क्योंकि उसी टीम के साथ फिर मैंने 4 फिल्म्स की, जबकि एलएसडी की टीम के साथ मैंने एक भी नहीं की उसके बाद. Means I know Dibakar well, I know Priya well, I know Ekta well, but we didn't do anything for all these years. So it's something, it's very unpredictable. You don't know कब क्या हो जाए. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि मेरे प्रेफरेंसेस एंड टेस्ट सही नहीं थे, वो सही थे, बट ऑप्शन नहीं था. Coming to female centric films, like Vidya ma'am said, actually अब in the last 2-3 years we've seen a surge in writers and producers and directors attempting to make films where the female is leading the story, where the story is about a girl, protagonist becomes a girl. क्योंकि ये अब आ गया है, it's not only opened options for me, but it's opened options for all actresses that are a part of the film industry and have given great performances and are great artists. And I think all of us should get a space of our own to be able to tell a story which is important from a girl's point of view to tell. एंड वो टाइम आएगा यार, हर चीज में बदलाव आता है, एक वक्त लगता है, एक करेक्ट, इट्स कॉल्ड एवोल्यूशन. आई मीन यू नो, वी वेंट फ्रॉम monkeys to men. It'll take us a while to get females, right guys? So वक्त लगेगा, but process has begun.
नुसरत, 3 लीडिंग मेन के साथ, आई वुड से 3 लीडिंग यंग जेन स्टार्स के साथ आपने काम कर लिया है, आयुष, आयुष्मान, कार्तिक, राजकुमार. जरा एक ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रेफरेंस दोगे आप मेरे को, क्योंकि मैं फैन जरूर जानना चाहेंगे. मतलब तीनों हार्ट थ्रॉब्स, नुसरत इज लाइक one. No, Nusrat will tell us what's so different, what sets them apart. Let's make it easy. What sets them apart from each other?
I think all of them have different. I think it's your story from where you come. It's your history that kind of makes you the person you are today, and that will always show in your performances. A part of you and a part from where you belong and come will always reflect on screen. Like they say कि आप even though screen पे acting करते हो, बड़े पर्दे पे हर चीज छुपी नहीं रह सकती, आपको दिख जाता है इंसान. So I think that's what sets them apart. Each of them have had their own struggle, have had their own different unique paths. Whether it's Karthik from a monologue to straight where he is now with an SKTKS and where he is currently. Then to an Ayushman with a wiki donor, which did so well. And I remember sitting behind him at award functions and seeing him take all awards in that year. To suddenly his film's not doing well, and you're like, where is Ayush? And then suddenly there is Ayushmann Khurrana, the man. Like, that's an amazing journey. Like, wow, what a roller coaster ride, but what a enriching experience. To a Rajkumar Rao, who did an LSD, then did small parts. You remember him for one scene, for an inspector's role. Then he does Shahid, and then he does Omerta and Newton and Aligarh, and I'm like, what? And then he does 3, and I'm like, what? So I think what sets them apart is their journeys and how they will become better men because of that. And that's where I would like to leave it. I can't pick from the 3 of them. They're great. All 3 are great.
Very smart. I really applaud that one.
It's not smart. Sometimes honesty seems smart because it's honest. Guys.
Mr. Is there a role which you're really wanting to do? Something which you really want the universe to channelize? I should get this part. Something you really are convinced maybe a filmmaker can, not see you, maybe abuse me, but there's something deep down, you can pull it off like nothing.
Yeah, I've see 90s is my within my blood, like it's my heartfelt era, and 90s had the great romantic dramas that we saw, where जो एक जोड़ी होती है ना, आमिर माधुरी या शाहरुख काजोल या with Dil, and I mean there's nothing I can say about it except like, oh, can I watch this movie again? So I feel like I've done comedies a lot, of course, romantic comedies, but I've not done a romance. Akashvani was supposed to be that, but it didn't do well, so people have not seen it actually. But I wish I could do a very different romance. I wouldn't say आज के ज़माने का romance, because मुझे वो समझ नहीं आता. Romance होता है.
Romance नहीं है, वो convenience ज़्यादा हो गई है.
हाँ, correct. But I don't know, I feel if there is a new language to tell a love story, I would really like to be in that, because I feel like we need to get people to fall in love again, not just swipe right or left. It's just random. Never believed in it. So I feel like I think we need that romance back in life.
Nusrat, I remember in the last couple of months, there were like twice I honestly, and I should also admit it, I actually read what you said. Like both the statements made a lot of sense to me given by you. I remember there was this green slit gown controversy, something happened with you. Suddenly there is an entire fashion police having a bizarre opinion upon, what one should wear or not. And then there was this time where you very, I would say not with any pomp and show, very politely and seemingly came out and spoke about your dealing with depression. Both the times there was no hue and cry. You just came, you said, you spoke, and you did it. Is it like how even in real life you just, as you have said, you just come out and say when you have to? And it's very rare because I haven't actually seen you replying to any kind of controversies per se, you are pretty much content. You don't have to answer to anyone, sort of thing.
यार एक्ट्रेसेस पे ना गलत टैग लगता है ड्रामा क्वीन का, जो है तो है, कुछ कर नहीं सकते. But I don't like a lot of drama in life, especially around me. I think I'm a very sorted person. I'm a very clear person. If it matters to me, I will go to the sun, moon, and stars for it. But if it doesn't matter to me, then I'll just look at you straight and have no reaction. Like, it's just simple. When I wore that dress, I wore the dress because I like the dress. I thought I looked hot in it, and I
It
didn't,
did.
I didn't think about anything else. I really didn't think. I've been to so many red carpet events, and I know that people don't even talk about the outfit I'm wearing because there are other people who are wearing greater outfits, and I've never had the spotlight on me for an outfit like that. And I didn't know what happened. Like, I didn't, somebody had to tell me the third day that, hi, do you know you're trending for 2 days? I said, what is that? I'm like, how can an outfit trend? A conversation
Outfit trending, yeah, legitimately. There was a conversation around the slit itna lamba
trend. Like, that's a song can trend, a trailer can trend, a quote can trend, a controversy can trend. A outfit trending, what does that even mean? Like, I didn't know what that meant. So it hit me out of nowhere, and I give the replies I gave because that's truly what I was, and what it's truly what I did. That's that. डिप्रेशन का कॉन्वर्सेशन मुझे पता भी नहीं उस इंटरव्यू में कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, बट पहले लाइफ में किसी ने पूछा नहीं था तो मैंने बोला नहीं. अभी एक रिपोर्टर ने पूछ लिया तो मैंने बोल दिया, और आई सेड इट एज normally as, actually my attempt was not to say it normally, my attempt was to tell you what it was, and I can only tell you what it was now because I'm out of it, right? So I have a different perspective and a different objectivity to it. I'm looking at it more normally now, that I'm not an emotional mess, I'm not troubled by it, I'm not bothered by it, I've come out of it, and I'm looking at it differently, and it was a learning experience. Even in that, I learned a lot about myself and a lot about the world around me. So I could speak about it as normally as I am, I guess. I don't know.
But then this was really sweet. I hope आप जल्दी से छलांग मारे. Then there is a hudang, and then there is chori, and you just don't stop entertaining. It's a good. Last year has been good. The year previous has been great, and I hope the upcoming also turns out to be good.
I hope
And
so.
I won't ask you how are you feeling that the film is coming on OTT, because trust me, the more I've spoken to people, the more I've realized it's all about the medium doesn't matter. It's all about the film and the craft which you're putting it out.
True. Completely. I agree with you.
Thank you so much, Nusrat, for your time. It really means a lot. Wishing you all the best.
Bye.
Bye.